Ndewo bochita no na canal Igbotutorials. Bochita anyị ga-amụ maka wa. Hello and welcome to Igbotutorials. My name is Blessing Ifnechukuma. In today's lessons, we are going to learn about verbs. We're going to know the common Igbo verbs we run to in our everyday conversations. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Let's begin. So the first set of verbs is the verb to come. To come. Ibia. Ibia. The second one is to dance. To dance. Itegu. Itegu. To drink. Enu. Enu. To hear. Enu. Enu. Note. Enu. Enu. And enu. Okay? To learn. Emota. To say. Ihu. Ihu. The next one is to watch. Ine. Ine. Or inanya. Ine. To cry. Ibe. Aqua. Ibe aqua. To call. Ikpo. To eat. That's food. Iri. Nri. Nri is food. To eat. Iri. To read. That's to read a book. Ego. Akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ is books. And ego is to read. Next. To give. Inye. Inye. To sleep. Irahura. Or ihiura. Irahura. Ihiura. To buy something. Izota. Ihe. Something is ihe. To buy. Izota. To bathe. Isa. Aho. Isa. Aho. Aho is like body. So isa is like wash. That's literally. But to bathe is isa aho. To come in. Ibata. Ibata. To come out. Epota. Epota. Okay? And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. Speak up. Speak with your friends. Speak with your families. Speak by writing in the comment section. Okay? Favor this video. Please share this video. Like this video. Subscribe to this channel. I am still Blessing Ifnechukuma. Till next time. Come and